Hello, welcome to Blockhead Laboratories. I'm Dr. Blockhead. Here at Blockhead, we do many things in the name of science. Will that larger head give you more horsepower? I don't know. Let's see, for science. Our insatiable thirst for horsepower has led us down some interesting roads. One of those roads leads to a project we have been working on undercover for some time. Our giveaway division. What is the giveaway division, you ask? Well, that's where we give away motorcycles. You say, give away motorcycles? Are you crazy? Maybe a little bit. The Blockhead motorcycle giveaway started many years ago when you, the Blockhead community, decided to come together and show support for this channel and brand. Because of your continued support, we have grown to what we are today. And we've been able to give away 10 motorcycles. If you want to support what we're doing here at Blockhead Laboratories and possibly win a motorcycle, all you have to do is head to blockheadmoto.com, sign up, select the monthly tier level, and you are in. Funds from your signing up are put right back in to the motorcycle and to our business, helping us continue to grow, create content, build cool custom motorcycles, and give them back to the community when we are done. In the many years we have been giving away motorcycles, it has become increasingly difficult to raise the bar. We are going to experiment with some things that we know have worked in the past. These will serve as a baseline for the experiment, and hopefully we will see some good results starting from a good baseline. If we look back at previous giveaway seasons, we gave away a Harley-Davidson Road Glide. So we know our community loves baggers. So let's extract some M&A from the Road Glide. Now you ask, what is MNA? MNA is very similar to DNA. It stands for motonucleic acid, and it is a polymer composed of two motonucleotide chains that coil around each other to form a double helix carrying motogenetic instruction for the development, function, and growth and reproduction of all known moto organisms. If we look to our metrics, we also know that the community loves Softail Lowrider S's. The Softail Lowrider S is an incredible moto organism that has been increasingly difficult to tame. I personally have experience with one named Goldzilla, my personal bike. It is a very great specimen, but the molecular structure of the Softail Lowrider S from Harley-Davidson is solid, proven, and loved by many. So we will also extract some M&A from the Softail Lowrider S. Now that we have all of our M&A extracted from the motorcycles, we have the M&A from the bagger and we have the M&A from the Lowrider S. We are now going to combine the M&A from both of these into our M&A base and see what we get. Ready? Best of luck. Okay, now that we have all of the M&A combined together into the base, we are going to do what? That is right. Here at Blockhead Laboratories, we have made this mixture concoction of the Harley-Davidson Road Glide and the Harley-Davidson Softail Lowrider, and we call this the Harley-Davidson Lowrider ST for super technologically advanced experiment here in Blockhead Laboratories. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the accent, but so what you guys are looking at here is a brand new Harley-Davidson Lowrider ST with a total of 14, is that it? 14 miles on it right now, and this is a bike that we bought for you guys. So if you didn't catch that in the skit, we did buy this motorcycle for season 8 of the Blockhead bike giveaway. For those of you that don't know, we do give away motorcycles here on this channel, and the way that we're able to give away motorcycles is because of you all, because of the community coming together. And you go sign up on our website, you support basically what we're doing here, building out the Blockhead garage, and you sign up, you select a tier that basically goes directly towards Blockhead Moto here, the business, and it allows us to be able to give away motorcycles, wrench on them, buy modifications. It allows us to be able to like keep the lights on here in this place. Like y'all's contributions and supporting us is going directly back into everything that this encompasses. We're building a dyno room here. It allows us to be able to build that dyno room, get the materials, which, man, a dyno room is crazy expensive. Also allows us to buy the dyno. It allows me to be able to pay employees like Justin over there, who's actually cranking away on this edit that you guys are watching right now. Sick wide glide, master level technician. It allows us to be able to grow. So whenever you guys sign up to be able to potentially win this bike, that's what you are contributing to. And if you can't tell, it's obviously led to some just crazy opportunities for us. So we really appreciate you guys signing up. If you are interested in signing up, like I said, go to blockheadmoto.com. You have to select a tier, which is a monthly, and then you also get other benefits such as access to our Discord server, discount on merchandise, early access to episodes, and more. And then also the chance to win a customized Harley-Davidson. So for this season, we decided to go with the hot bike that everybody's talking about. I decided to go with this bike because I'm a huge fan of it. I got invited by Harley-Davidson out to California to do a press ride with this bike, and we put a couple 100 miles on it, and I just absolutely loved the thing. Whenever I bought this one, I had actually considered keeping this and modifying it out for myself and giving you guys Goldzilla. So if you guys don't know what Goldzilla is, it is my 2020 Harley-Davidson Softail Lowrider S with a 131, 151 horsepower, 150 torque, and I thought about potentially giving that bike away, keeping this one and building this into like Goldzilla 2.0. But while I think you guys would be supportive of that because many of you all love that motorcycle, I also think it'd be cool to, you know, obviously give away a new Harley-Davidson. Yeah, we're gonna build this thing out. Really cool thing about this bike is I've actually already spoken with Harley-Davidson, and they're actually willing to sponsor a couple episodes. So we're gonna be outfitting this thing with lots of parts from Harley, like that include that Rockford Fosgate insert in the top, so for the sound bar, and we're gonna do a couple other things with them. Haven't really gone through the catalog quite yet and talk to them about what we're doing, but that's the plan this season, partially sponsored by Harley-Davidson. We're gonna be reaching out to a couple other companies as well, seeing if they want to team up with us to contribute towards this giveaway to give back to you guys. What you think? Sick wide glide, the fact that we're giving away a brand new Harley-Davidson Lowrider ST.
Oh man, what do I think? I think you're kind of foolish.
You think I'm foolish? You don't think I should give it away?
I don't know. I think at some point you should keep one.
Yeah, but I mean, I've got my bikes.
Yeah.
What would you think if I gave away Goldzilla and kept this one, and then we just made this into like Goldzilla 2.0? I thought about it, but I think we can make Goldzilla into something similar to this.
True.
We just got to find a way to retrofit the fairing. Chris is against me giving it away, but that's how we do it. It's like he was against me giving away the bagger also, which we're waiting on like 2 parts now for that to finish that bagger up. Yeah, what do you want to do to this thing in terms of building it out and giving it away?
How about we put a stage 2 in it? Leave it alone.
Yeah. So that's actually one of the big reasons that I bought the bike too, is because as is, it's such a great bike. And we've actually been talking a lot here, and a stage 2 is a really nice upgrade to the M8. You can get pretty decent power numbers out of it, and it's still rideable. It's not like stupid screaming, doesn't put it into Goldzilla territory. But yeah, I'm totally on board with that, doing a stage 2.
Yeah, I would do a stage 2, a nice rad pipe, maybe fix the fact that the one saddlebag's a little bit smaller than the other if we can. And other than that, yeah, murder all those bolts, get rid of all the black.
Ooh, you want to murder it out, and we'll call it Jon Snow.
Yeah, like all the highlighted fins, murder them out, go to black fins. Do it all.
That could be a cool project, like totally murder out the, like, everything black.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah.
And then have just touches of color. Remember what I was telling you about color?
Yeah.
So just find your whatever color you want. And just put a couple touches and that's it. Nothing else.
I don't know. I kind of like just all black idea too, though.
Well, all black is gonna appeal to a smaller market than a touch of color.
Maybe. I don't know. You guys let us know what you think down in the comments below. Since this is going to be y'all's motorcycle, one of you all will be receiving it that is signed up for our website, blockheadmoto.com. Y'all let us know what you think. What you want us to murder it out, like totally murdered out, or should we do a touch of color to it? I've kind of wanted to do a murdered out motorcycle for a while, but I know a lot of people do them, so I feel like a touch of color, especially like a rare color.
I mean, murder everything. Fittings, bolts, tube, that, and that, everything black, everything.
Yeah.
Then look at it. That's a little different.
Yeah.
Because no matter how many you look at, you'll find something that's not quite black, or something that just didn't get done or couldn't get done or whatever. So, yeah.
You think Justin will be excited that we're giving this away?
Justin's excited about everything.
Hey, Justin.
I think he'll be excited.
Hey, did you know we're giving away this Harley-Davidson Lowrider ST? It's brand new.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I'm jealous, man. Like, dude, this is such a sick bike, and but I'm excited. I think it's gonna be a really good giveaway season.
So the reason Justin is jealous is because these guys are unfortunately not allowed to enter the giveaway, nor is any Blockhead crew, employees, family members, anything like that. So we do have that in the rules. Sorry, guys. Thank you for helping me film the video. Really appreciate it. Thanks for your skittle in my concoction of MNA.
Well, that's how you got this, isn't it?
Apparently it was just sweet enough. Yeah, that's the announcement, guys. If you have any questions on it, drop them down in the comments below. Let us know if you're excited about us getting this bike, modifying it out. We're gonna be doing some ride videos on it too. We're also gonna throw it up on the dyno, get some baseline numbers so that you guys can see what the baseline numbers of the bike are. Yeah, at minimum, we're gonna do a stage 2. We'll show you basically that install and dynoing it as well. So tuning and what those final power numbers are. Yeah, we're just gonna be having some fun with it. We are gonna be taking apart this fairing because I'm gonna see if this fairing will fit on my regular lowrider, my Softail lowrider S. Yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. So we did buy it for you guys, but we're going to be doing some stuff to it too to like see if we can do some stuff for mine. As always, thank you guys to the community for allowing us to be able to do this. If y'all didn't come together, sign up for the site, we literally would not be in the Blockhead garage here. We wouldn't have employees such as Justin James and Chris Sick Wide Glide. Be sure to go give them a follow at Sick Wide Glide, at Iron J Moto. Anything else? I think that's it.
Yeah, did you tell them about our good friends over at Law Tigers?
So Law Tigers, we actually work pretty close with in terms of our giveaways because they are motorcycle lawyers, motorcycle attorneys, and they've actually done a lot of giveaways over on their site for all sorts of stuff. But with these giveaways, you do have to have all your legal red tape done up. And so Law Tigers has been an awesome partner of the channel. If you guys are ever in a motorcycle accident, God forbid, you can give them a call. If you're curious about any of the legalities regarding possibly being in an accident, but basically if you do go down, you know, none of us want to, but if it does happen, you should definitely call Law Tigers first because they're attorneys that are going to basically work with your insurance company to get you taken care of. Insurance companies do not want to give you their money. The lawyers are going to basically be on your side to get you taken care of. So whether that includes rebuilding your motorcycle, getting a new bike, paying hospital bills, all that stuff, be sure to hit up Law Tigers. Tell them Blockhead sent you. Also, real quick before we do end, did you guys know that 70% of y'all watching are not subscribed right now? 70%. Yeah.
Dude.
A lot of people watch, but they don't hit the subscribe button. And I don't know if you guys know, but hitting subscribe is actually free.
Give me something to throw. Uh-oh.
Hit that subscribe button for us if you guys enjoy motorcycle content. Hit the bell icon so it sends you notifications of future activity. And till next time, zoom in on that sign over there. Ride safe, stay vigilant.
Outro music.
And we out.